Hello, my name is Nicolas Andres Figueroa Camargo. I am from Colombia. My profession is general assisting and a cement plant. I speak Spanish and my dream is to speak Japanese and English. I am 21 years old and I like play expert rock and heavy metal music. It practice calisthenics. What I hate to most is getting up early. Even so, it is my turn for work. I am a student university unit of the program Industrial Engineering. Uh, these are my activities on a typical day. I get up from sleep at 5 a.m., get ready and go out to wait for the route at 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. I start working. I like work at 3 p.m. and I arrive at the apartment at 4 p.m. There is start my educational work, that and university activities at 7 p.m. I train for an armor and then play Xbox, give a friend at my house while listen to music and finish from 10 to 11 and then I go to sleep and the next day